What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be doing space monkey up. You'll be the first monkeys to ever reach the moon, but it won't be easy because it's an obstacle course. You must pass through. Okay, I can do the whee blue skin. Ah, please help me! I'm underwater. Ah, okay. No, 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 no! Okay. Okay. Oh crap, no, no, no! Hate this already. No, 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 no! After this, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna do a house tour in my house because I'm in my house. Oh my god! Oh crap! I probably just woke up my sister. Ah! No! I hate this plane. Look, guys! This is kind of hard. Frick. No, 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 frick. Okay. Okay. No, no, no. Bad boy. Stop it. Stop it. Oh yeah, my brother, but I'm not gonna I'm not gonna say his name. Like in here, he befriended a squirrel outside. He's feeding it birdseed. Frick. Okay, no, please. Okay, I'm going for that forward. Okay, got it. No, no, no! No one skip. Got him. Oh crap. Okay. Oh. Get. We'll do it again. No. No! Oh my god! My audio might be a little bad. It's because like I'm cooked. I can't edit. I can do edits, but I can't edit the videos. Okay. No. What? I was about to hit it. Oh crap. Okay. Oh, boom, boom, boom. Papu. Want a monkey? Little monkey rat. Okay. No. Please, 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 yes, please, thank you. Please, 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 don't, please, please, okay, please, 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 no, please. Where did I go? Oh. Stop me, but what? No! Oh my god! Well, now I know the cloud. I can fall through the cloud. Boom, boom, boom. Over there, like that. Over there! I'm going to show you my monkey rat sister's room. I'm going to show you my room. Show you my dad's room, my brother's room. And my dad's room has an arcade machine. Because, like, we'll just go like that. I think if TGT Moonlight wants to back that up, he can. Yeah. Back to, I was gonna say about TGT Moonlight VR. He is the most bestest collab YouTuber ever. Like, there's that there's a one video on my channel, that it's me falling from a slide. That was, like, that he pulled me down. That actually did happen, but, like, I don't forgive him, but it was an accident. I'm totally not saying this against my will. Okay, no, what? How? What? I can't go. I'm on a trampoline. I can't go anywhere. I have to go in there. No, Frick. I said Frick. She's like you and me, but she's homeless. As he stands there, I'm just gonna be singing. I don't have music going on in my headset, but I have music going on in my mind. So I admit it, another hole got me finished. Broke my heart, I know you didn't. Fuck sipping, I'm without a whole bottle. How look at how true. Do I need a bartender? Hand me up my song and paint some more. Oh, you have to go there. I totally missed that part. I'm actually kind of stupid because I have ADHD. Oh, quick, no, frick, please, no, please, yes, please, thank you, please, thank you. If I fall, I'm gonna crash out. I'm gonna end the recording and I'm gonna, like, smash. No, please. Okay, thank you. I fell, but, like, I didn't fall all the way down, so I don't have to restart it. I'm really grateful for my friends, my family, and God, and everything that has happened for the past few months. So please, Pete, I need this. My mom has a boyfriend, but she's kind of homeless because she lives in an apartment. That's not a home, it's an apartment. Please, Pete, I need this. My mom, She lives in a... No! Fuck! Okay, time for the room. Time for the house tour. Okay. Okay, so... Stop it. Okay, so... If we go over here... My dad's room. This is where I edit like most of the recordings. And this is the arcade machine. It's kind of crowded, but does it work? Didn't my dad not plug it in? Oh, it doesn't look it. Though it's there, but it doesn't look like it. It looks like it doesn't work anymore. So, let's go to the kitchen. There's some distilled water. CPAP. Air fryer. Empty cupboard. You don't need to worry about that. School picture, my cousin's school picture, my open house picture, somebody you. Okay, and then let's look in these cabinets. Nothing. Those glasses. Let's look into just some Mike and Ike's in a 1.8 pound bag. That's very interesting. Guys, did you know that was there? I didn't know that was there. Okay, moving on. Here we have the bathroom. We have me, as you can see. Gotcha. Gotcha. And then we have my sister's room. Because she's a monkey rat and she's on her iPad and she's watching. Hi, monkey rat. What are you playing? Just to impress? Just to impress? I don't know. Hi, Big Girl Bluey. I'm gonna smack you later. Bye bye. Next, we have my mom's room. We don't talk about this. Next, we have my room. My parents care about me love. And here's my safe. Here's my phone. 100%. Yes. Yes, queen. And we have all my paper airplanes. We have my curtains, my TV. I'm gonna solve this. Both? Oh. Okay, I'm gonna solve a side. I'm gonna solve yellow. Done. Time kept that. Okay. And then you go to downstairs. Got another bathroom. Yeah, outside, my go-kart and everything. Me have my monkey rat brother's room. Very messy. Next, we have the basement. Hold on. Is that a floating? That's floating. Hold on. What? Why is that floating? Defying gravity. Oh yeah. Hi. Hi, Lou. Baby Yoda. Come here. Hello. monkey rat. Then we have my snake, J-Wold. We keep him down here because he's kind of like vicious. Ah! And then you have my hammock. Can't really use it. And then we have my dad's computer again. And let me go back to where we started. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace, love, and bye.